Welcome back, guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a VHS distort effect in After Effects. So once I have my clip here, I'm gonna make a new adjustment layer, and then I'm gonna head towards the end of our adjustment layer, cut it down to the size of our clip. First effect I'm gonna add is S_distort. I'm gonna put the amount on 4.9. Take a 9 time watch, start a keyframe, head towards the middle, about right here. I'm gonna put it on 0. I'm gonna highlight both of our keyframes and ease them. And once after that, I'm gonna add S_ultra glow. Head towards the beginning once again. Put the threshold at 3.6. Then I'm gonna head towards the middle and put it at 0.93. Then for the next effect, once after we're done adding S_ultra glow, I'm gonna add is radial blur. I'm gonna put it on zoom on high. I'm gonna head towards the beginning of our adjustment layer, put it at 30, head towards the middle, then put it at 0. Highlight our keyframes once again, ease them. Next I'm gonna add is S_TV damage. I'm gonna put the perception master at 0.2. I'm gonna put the vignette darkness at 1. For the last and final effect I'm gonna add is hue and saturation. I'm gonna head down to hue and saturation, click on colorize. I'm gonna put the colorize hue right here on 0.96. Oh, what the heck? Maybe. Oh, it's actually 96. But yeah. And I might just mess around with the hue and saturation and lightness. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today, and this should be your final product.